Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be checking out how to trade and trail spikes using the stop loss in boom and crash. Okay, we'll be checking out how to trade the spikes and also how to trail it up right from the beginning of the trend to the very end of the trend in order to milk the market or to take full advantage of the market. This is a unique video training session that can help you to trade the spike successfully for a very long time. Okay, so I want you to stay tuned and watch this video to the end. But before we go fully into it, if you are just joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform that I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you just need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips, make sure you understand everything shared there, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. This is very important, and of course, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. If you have any question about any of my videos, or probably want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right now and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right away. Okay, like I said, I will be checking out how to trade the spikes and I'll trail it up with the stop loss. Okay, so let me quickly go to the jump board so that I try to explain a few things there. Okay, first of all, if you want to trade the spikes, it is if you want to trail the spikes, okay, then that means you are ready to trade it to the very end of the trend. Okay, or probably you want to trade it for a very long time. Okay, so I'm going to use boom as an example. Okay, let's say you um the trend, you came in when the trend, let's say this is boom. Okay, let's say this is boom, and you came in somewhere here. Okay, you placed your order somewhere here, and the trend is going to end right here. Okay, so all you need to do is, okay, you can come in here and trade the spikes till the very end of the trend without being afraid of you losing your money to the market again. This is how it happens. This is how it happens. You know, in most cases, the trends happen. The spike happens suddenly. So when you know the right trend, which these spikes can, the right trend for trading the spikes, then definitely you can use that as an advantage to trade the spikes for a very long time. Okay, just like I have explained in my last video, okay, that knowing the right trend is the proper way to trade it. For instance, in boom, it is when the trend is going back into uptrend. That is when we have more spikes happening around there. When the trend is going back into uptrend, that is when we have more spikes happening around there. But for crash, when the trend is going back on downtrend, that is when we have more spikes happening around then. Okay, that is when we have the drop down candles being created around there. Okay, so if you know all this, then you can take advantage of those trends and trade the spikes along the trend for a very long time. Okay, of course, I know that there will always be pullbacks. I know that there will always be reversal. How sure are you if the pullback will go for long, or how sure are you if it is a total reversal in price action? Okay, in case you are not sure of this and you don't want to lose your money, then you can introduce your stop loss. Let's say you placed an order here and the price action has gotten to this level already. Okay, you can introduce your stop loss to this place so that the profit between this point and this point will be locked out of the market for you. Okay, so that when the price action reverses back and it gets to this stop loss, it will take you out of the market immediately. Let me repeat that again. You use the stop loss to keep some profit for yourself, to lock up some profit for yourself. This is the profit you are locking up for yourself. Okay, the one between here and the price action is the one you are using to trade. Okay, so if the price action reverse back and get to your stop loss, it will take you out of the market with the profit which you have kept away from the market for yourself. Okay, so that is the way it works, and that is how you can take advantage of the market and use it to milk the market successfully. Don't worry, I'm going to explain all this on the charts. All you just need to do is just to stay tuned and stay focused on what I am explaining right now so that you will understand everything about it. Okay, this is the chart. Okay, like I said, it is always good you know the trend of the markets. When you know the trend of the markets, you will be able to do this for a very long time. Then of course it is also very good when you are able to identify your support and your resistance level so that you will know your entry point and your exit point. So in that case, it means that you should be good with your technical analysis, and if you are not very good with that, then you need the help of some custom made indicators to help you out, and that is why I'm using the QDC scraper trading indicator to do that. Okay, so that is that, and of course it helps me to analyze the market easily. So then after all this is what I want you to do in case you are having the indicator, have this set up on your chart. And personally, I love using 5 minutes and 15 minutes to trade this strategy. So I'll be using the 5 minute strategy today. Probably tomorrow I'll explain that of 15 minutes so that you will see how unique you can go about it, and I'll give you the difference between the two. Okay, so today I'll be using the 5 minutes. Okay, so we want to trade the spike. Then this is crash 500. All you need to do is to know the right trend to trade the spikes and crash. Okay, and the right trend to trade the spikes and crash is when the market is on downtrend. Okay, so or when it is about starting the downtrend. Right here the market is on downtrend right here on this resistance level, even though there was a pullback that brought it up to this resistance level, but right here is where we have the downtrend, a new downtrend, or we are still on downtrend. And within this region, like I said, we will be having multiple spikes within this region because the market is in favor. I mean, the trend of the market is in favor of what we want to trade, which is the spikes. Okay, so that is it in crash 500. And right here you can place your first order. Okay, you place your first order. You can use a small lot size there, or probably you use your normal lot size. Okay, so we'll be using three horizontal lines here. Okay, we'll be using three horizontal lines here. So I just want us to understand everything in this, I mean with this, so that we will know how to go about it on our own. Okay, we will know how to go about it on our own. So the first horizontal line will be the one for our first our entry point. Okay, the white line is our entry point, so we are coming in on this resistance level. We got this spike, we got the second spike. All we need to do, okay, after getting the second spike, this light blue is our current action price. You can see it is on this, on the tip of the second spike. All we need to do is to introduce our stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, and this is what the stop loss will do. You know, this is spikes trading out, which means that the other direction will go steadily. So once it gets to this stop loss, it's going to close the market for you, and the profit between your entry point and your stop loss will be in your balance. Okay, that way you are locking up your profit for yourself. Okay, that is what we're trying to do. So you introduce your stop loss to this, and check it out, it went back and still spiked again, and this got to this, but of course went back to this level, didn't get to the stop loss, and spiked and spiked and spiked down to this level. So what do? You readjust your stop loss again. You readjust your stop loss again. That way, um you you already have more profit secured for yourself. Okay, you already have more profit secured for yourself. So the only profit that is exposed to risk is the one between this stop loss and the current action price. But the profit that is safe for you already, that is locked up for you already, is the one between the stop loss and your entry point. Okay, so that is it, and that one cannot be touched. The only one that can be touched is the one between the stop loss and um the current action price. That is why you need to narrow it down a bit, but do not let it be too narrow down, so that you have enough space for the market to play around. Okay, so that is it, but make sure the main profit is more than the one you are exposing. Okay, so that is it. It is very, very important. But check it out, it keeps on spiking, and it got to this level. So that way you can readjust your stop loss again to somewhere here. Okay, you can see that the margin, the profit margin, the profit you are locking up for yourself is now this big. You can see from here to here. Okay, so you only have this to trade. Okay, you are only exposing the one between here and here, so that you can have enough space to trade and milk the market to the very end of the trend. And in case it goes back and it gets to your stop loss, you will be taken out of the market. Even if it's going towards this, you will have been out of the market right from here, and the profit between the red line and the white line will be in your balance already. Even if this is still going down, you are safe already, because your balance is already updated with that already. So, but what if it didn't go back, it didn't reverse back to where your stop loss is? And where can you close your trade? You can close your trade once you notice that the trend has come to an end. Okay, right here the trend actually came to an end on this support zone, so you can close your trade here. That means you are gaining 100% of your profit at that particular point. Okay, another good example is this. Okay, let me use this as another good example. You can see right here on this resistance zone, the trend started from there, and it has been going down ever since. So if I were you, or if you had seen this video before, you should have introduced your stop loss here, while the current action price is somewhere here. So the profit between here and here is locked up for you. So we are just waiting to see where this trend will come to an end. Once it comes to an end, you close your trade in 100% profit. And if it reverses back to the extent that it will get to this stop loss, then that means it will close your trade for you, keeping this profit keeping this profit in your balance. Okay, so that is the way it works. So let's go quickly check other assets. So I'll be checking boom 1000 right away. So you can see this is also on 5 minute time frame. Like I said, I love using both 5 minute and 15 minute for this, and the reason for this is that I want to get quick signal, and also at the same time I want to have an assurance that I want to get quick signal, and I want to have an assurance that the signal I'm getting is unique and I can trust it to some extent. So I need a stronger signal. So that is why I love using 15 minutes and 5 minutes. Okay, so that is it. And so this is it. You can see that this trend started from here, from this support zone. So you can come in here and place your first order to trade. Okay, this is for, okay, let's quickly bring out the three horizontal lines again. It's because I have to change the chart, so that is why it is changing the colors. Okay, okay, good. So this will be light blue. blue. Good. Okay guys, this will be our entry point on this support zone, and this is the current price action. Okay, it has spiked up to this level, came down again. You make sure, this is what you do, you make sure it has given you enough space for you to come in. Okay, so right now it has given us enough space, so you all we just need to do is just to introduce this stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, stop loss is introduced to somewhere here, so that when it comes down and get to the stop loss, it will take us out of the markets with the profit which we have locked out. But of course you can see it spiked up again to this level. What do? We adjust the stop loss in order to make more profit. Okay, in order to keep more profit for ourselves. Okay, so it comes down to this level, then spiked up and got to this level. What do? You adjust the stop loss to this level. But check it out, right from here it came down and it got to the stop loss. Okay, it got to the stop loss, so which means we will be taken out of the market, even though the the indicator still shows that the market is still in our favor, but it has reversed back, and we don't know how far it will go, and we don't want to lose all the profit that we have taken our time to make. Okay, so this will take us out of the market. And check it out, it came down to this level before going up back. Okay, it came down to this level before going up back. But do you know the beautiful thing about the stop loss? When you trail with stop loss, once it gets to your stop loss, you will be taken out of the market, even though it is coming down, but you are already out of the market with the profit between the red line and the white line. So you wait for it to get to the last stage before you come in again, and you start trading again and again till the end of the trend, or till it reverses back to where it meets your stop loss again. So it is as easy as this, guys. It is as easy as this. Don't worry, I'm going to throw more light on this in my next video using the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so do not forget to stay tuned and check out for the video tomorrow, so that you can understand how to go about it successfully. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me, and I will always be there to reply your messages. Okay, and of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right now. Check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you'll always be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also let me quickly say this, remember to join me tonight again on the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. That is where we usually I'll analyze the market live and direct with you guys, so that you guys will understand how to trade, what to go to go for, and the type of trend the market is taking around that time. Okay, so that is very, very important, and most people have been taking advantage of this to milk the market successfully. So you too can do the same thing if you join us tonight. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then,